Good morning. Welcome to Fast Pre-Market Observation. Okay, let me go on YouTube real quickly just to make sure everything run. If I don't do it, sometime it bite me in the butt later. Looking good. All right. How can we not talk about Bitcoin, right? It's a must until the story changes, but it's important to give it a little bit of attention on a daily basis. Okay, yesterday I trimmed at 60, 62, and 64. Small amount. Altogether, I took off about 7% of my holding, 7.5% to be exact, of my holding. So not much, but stay disciplined. Now, do I consider adding back? Yes, I'd have an order to buy back at 60. Right now, my stop is still down here, right? Uh, I'm okay with such a big gap between, um, you know, 53 and 60. But for now, that's where my stop is. I would consider raising it. Of course, I'm talking about IBIT. Okay. Right now, yes, my stop on IBIT is right there, the low of day in that area, right? So would I consider moving it up? Maybe, but for now, not yet. Okay, not yet. But yeah, I like BTC. I think is it a surprise that it pulled almost to 65 and then reject? No, it's a huge move. Okay, the the last 4 days has been nothing short of breathtaking because sure the consolidation here that's not unexpected, right? That's where I added to my BTC position, and I had trimmed some of that on this move right here yesterday. So for now, I will look to add back if it gets to 60 again. No big deal. But right now, 63, looking good. Is there going to be a push to crack 65 today? Maybe. Okay, maybe. If they crack 65, I think I will have an order to trim. I bid at 70. Yes, I would trim up there. And that order would basically trim everything, the rest of what I bought in this range down here. So yeah, so that's the plan, okay? Um, the story of last night after hour was, of course, CRM and Snowflake. So let's talk about those two, okay? CRM. I like CRM. I have CRM. I have been trading CRM. I am bullish on CRM, especially on artificial intelligence, AI. And yesterday, after hour, I had an order in to buy at 280 and below. I mean, I missed it. Okay, it wicked down so fast. It's always very hard to gauge. See this right here? Yeah, it literally. You see this timestamp? 4:12. So I was busy doing something else, and by the time I logged into to check the earning at 4:12 and see the big dip, and within 30 seconds later, as I put in my order, it's too late. Okay, it's already too late. It's already too late. So my order, I put in order last night 280. As I entered in the order 280, 278, 276. Well, it's too late. It's gone. All right. So now let's pan back. Where is it going? Okay, right there. Is it a surprise that it came down almost to where the 50 MA is and reference low? No. Okay. TA works very well. for those that plan ahead and was sitting around at 4 p.m. to trade, I was not. I have done that with Nvidia and many other big tech stock on earning days, but yesterday was something else. I had other things to do, so I couldn't sit around. But yeah, that would have been a easy trade, but I couldn't. There's no way I would have put it, a trade in there um, after hour and walk away thinking that, oh, it's gonna get down there. And we'll talk about that with snow later, okay? And there's a reason why I don't do that. And for now, what I would do in when the market open is see where it opened, and if it's weaker, well, right now you can see pre-market is barely down, okay, 294. If there's any juice for a put spread at 275 and below, I take lunch money there, okay? But that's all I can do for CRM. CRM has a long way to go as far as taking advantage of AI. That's a perfect example of what I discussed before when it comes down to the hardware side of AI with NVIDIA. The software side have a long way to go. Just look at Google, okay? Even with Microsoft and ChatGPT, it's a long, long way to go. As far as software, I'm bullish on Adobe. I definitely look to buy Adobe on the dip. I definitely look to buy CRM on the dip, Microsoft on the dip. But the software side have a long way to go to take advantage of AI, in my opinion. I could be wrong. All right, so now let's take a look at snow. Now, snow, yeah, this is the reason why placing a bet blindly and walking away at 4 p.m. would have been a disaster, okay? Because using the same mindset, I have no idea what the earning is for both snow and CRM, okay? But this market can wreck you if you approach it like a robot, right? So yeah, using the same mentality, oh, yeah, I'm gonna put in an order down here at 212. It's far enough, right? Well, guess what? Right now, it's down here. I like it. Okay, I like it. I am buying here at 175, the 200 MA. Okay, I saw the earning report. Sure, it's not a blowout, but it's also not bad. Okay, it's so yeah. What's in mind today is at 7 o'clock pre-market open, orders in to buy here and now. Okay, if it's open, if I can buy right now at 176, I wouldn't mind grabbing some share. In fact, I'm gonna do that as soon as I end this stream. Now, it's gonna slice through all four, and this is a reminder of what happened to PANW. Palo Alto, remember? Palo Alto? Yeah, remember this? Slice right through and landed right on the 200 MA. And guess what? If you trade, that was a no-brainer right there, right? I mean, I didn't think, to be honest. I got out here. Okay? I got out here. I did not get out at 322, but for those that were more disciplined, congratulations. Now, if you wrote this up and see this wick and didn't sell, well, hopefully you learn to trim better as far as take your profit, right? Because this is a lot. This was a lot. This is also a lot. So basically, if you look at you can eyeball it, you can see this is the 50% retracement of the big gap down, right? So I think for now, wouldn't shock me to see CRM drift down and eventually meet the 100 MA. And at that point, it would be buy the dip for me. That's if that happen, okay, I'm not saying that it certainty that it will happen. It can it bump on um, the 50 MA and then go up? Possibly, but what would be the catalyst, right? Whatever the market hate on earning is not going to change in the next week or two. So I'm more inclined to make my bet that if anything, it could come back down here and check back into the 100 MA at this point. At that point, buy the dip, sell a spread down here is what my plan is. Okay, so but that's okay. So this is what happened to PANW. So back to snow. Yeah, we are we are here. Okay, we are here pre-market. We are here. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Now, could the big boy take it down another notch? Where would I sell my put spread? Okay, just like in PANW, I bought share and sell put spread below. Where would I sell it? 170, 165. Why? It, would I sell even lower? Yes. It all depends on what kind of premium I'm gonna get. Probably not much left because you're talking 2 days before expiration. The gap fill. Okay, you have a gap fill right here at 172. 172.18 to be exact. So for me, selling 170 is decent as far as protection. You have, you know, a whole lot of room, but I like it. I like. To me, that's the best trade for today. Is focusing on what I can do with snow. Buy the dip 176, 175 area. Sell put spread 170, 165, or even lower if there's enough juice. And even look into next week, next Friday, okay? Because if juice is there for next Friday for something like 165, 160, yeah, I do it, okay? I do it. Like I said, I'm using the same playbook as PANW because if indeed it come down and then bounce back next week, then that put spread for next week at 165, 160 would be money, right? So that's it for this fast money portion of today. Good luck trading today.